It's AJ Me So Hungry. And guess what? Me oh my, I've got pie! Hey guys, it's Thanksgiving week and I'm in the mood for some pumpkin pie. So I decided to finally go over to McDonald's and yeah, I did get the McRib, but I also got pumpkin pie. So, a little interesting tidbit. I picked up this pumpkin pie and let's see, what time was it? 1:28. And this says enjoy by 1:15. Mickey D's giving me some old pumpkin pie. Not that old, but I figured I'd be like showing you guys. It says 1:15. It's old, but no big deal. I'm sure it's just as fresh as it was, 15 minutes ago. So, pumpkin pie, McDonald's. I like their baked apple pie. I really miss their fried apple pie. That was the best. I don't know if you all remember that. I might be showing my age a little, but oh, their fried apple pie was so good. So, we got baked pumpkin pie. Let's get a closer look. Here we are. Some hot pumpkin pie. Trying to get this without my shadow blocking it. Looks like it's got a nice amount of, looks like cinnamon on there. Let's break it open. Oh man, check out the filling on that pumpkin pie from McDonald's. There's the bottom side of the crust. Looks all flaky and buttery. Can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Alright, here we go. First bite of that pumpkin pie from Mickey D's. Let's see if it's Thanksgiving worthy. Can you imagine? McDonald's around at the table. You got Thanksgiving. And you're like, everybody ready for some pie? And you give them each one of these cartons with McDonald's pie in it. Yeah, I bet that'd go over real well. It'd be a good laugh at least. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow. That is really good. Holy crap. I was not expecting that. Damn, that is some good pumpkin pie. You know, I was saying the crust looked really flaky and buttery. It really is. Wow. You know, all this needs, I mean, is some Cool Whip or whipped cream. That was good. Yeah, I'd definitely get that again. That's actually better than a lot of the apple pies that I get. I feel like the apple pies are kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they're kind of seem like they're overbaked or something. They kind of got hard crusty edges. But this pumpkin pie, man, this has got delicious filling, delicious crust. Very tasty. I highly recommend it. Only $1 at McDonald's, guys. Pumpkin pie, get it while it lasts. Head on down there. Hey, if you like this review, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And we'll catch you later. AJ Me So Hungry. He's so hungry. Feed him food. Feed him food. AJ Me So Hungry. Oh, he's so hungry. Feed him food. Feed him food.